Elmo, you're a backpack.
That's funny. Hello there, friends of fun. Yes, Elmo is a backpack. Riddle will be celebrating his birthday soon, and he will be 3 years old, just like Elmo. And Riddle will be starting preschool soon, so Elmo turned himself into a backpack.
How creative, Elmo. And Lexie left us a special riddle today, too.
I can bring a smile to your face, a tear to your eye, or a thought to your mind. What am I?
Oh, and Lexie is wearing Elmo on her shirt.
Yes, Elmo, that onesie used to belong to Riddle when he was little, and now Lexie's big enough that she can wear it. Boy, time goes by so quickly.
Riddle and Lexie's mommy, maybe it's time to open Elmo's backpack. Elmo thinks it will help us to solve Lexie's riddle.
Okay, Elmo, good idea. The fun is in there. Let's go find it. Oh, it's Tickle Me, Elmo.
Elmo is one ticklish monster.
Hi, friends of fun. Riddle got this Elmo for his first birthday. Oh, look at cute baby Riddle. He was so adorable.
He was so cute. That was his first birthday party, Elmo, and it had a Sesame Street theme. Wow, this really brings a smile to my face.
Oh, that's the first part of Lexie's riddle. Riddle will be turning 3 years old soon, just like Elmo. So Elmo has some surprises for him. Go check in the backpack.
Ooh, okay, Elmo. What did you bring Riddle? Look at that! It's PAW Patrol Dino Rescue minifigures. Riddle will be so excited. Let's open it for him.
This dino vehicle is red, just like Elmo.
And what's in there? 1, 2 blind bags. What's in the first blind bag? This is a little green dinosaur. Do you know his name, friends of fun? That's right, he's a Stegosaurus.
And he's green, like Oscar the Grouch.
That's right, Elmo. Oscar is green. And what else is in here? Oops.
Rubble on the double.
Oh, it's Rubble. Look how cute he is. And what color is Rubble, friends of fun? That's right, Rubble is yellow.
Yellow like Big Bird. And Bert.
That is so cute and so thoughtful, Elmo. Thank you.
Let's keep looking.
Okay, Elmo. What else is in your backpack?
Hi, friends of fun.
Oh, it's Riddle's Raggedy Elmo.
Elmo wasn't always so raggedy, but Riddle used to take Elmo with him everywhere when he was a baby, especially to his small rest and bedtime.
I remember, Elmo. Riddle used to take you everywhere with him.
Elmo used to be Riddle's favorite toy. Now he takes his PAW Patrol pups to bed.
Aw, Elmo, that brings a tear to my eye.
Oh, it's okay, Riddle and Lexie's mommy. Riddle still loves Elmo very much. And Elmo is happy to have been there for Riddle when Riddle needed Elmo. But bringing a tear to your eye is the second part of Lexie's riddle.
Good observation, Elmo. Let's keep looking.
But Elmo also brought a present for Riddle for his 3rd birthday.
Oh, okay, Elmo. Let me see. So cool. This is a PAW Patrol the Movie Series 2 Micro Movers blind bag. Let's see what's in there. Oh, wow! It's Kendra. Kendra is a meteorologist. A meteorologist is a scientist who studies the weather. That's so cool. And she has a marble on the bottom of her so that she can move. Thank you, Elmo. Riddle will be so excited to see that.
You're welcome, Riddle.
Okay, let's see what else is in that backpack so that we can answer Lexie's riddle.
Hi, friends of fun.
Hi, Elmo. Look. It's Elmo from Elmo's World, and he has his cell phone Smarty.
Yep. Riddle's Uncle Richie surprised him with this Elmo the first time Riddle went to Target.
That's right, Elmo. Riddle used to watch Elmo's World on YouTube, so he called YouTube Elmo TV. Then, when he got older and wanted to watch other things, he'd tell us he wanted to watch Elmo TV, no Elmo.
Why does Riddle not watch Elmo anymore?
Oh, don't worry, Elmo. Riddle still watches Elmo sometimes, just not all the time. In fact, Riddle will watch this video when we upload it to YouTube.
Elmo TV.
Yes, Elmo TV.
Hi, Riddle.
And he'll be so excited to see all these Elmos.
I brought a present for Riddle, too.
You did? Let's take a look. It's a Paw Patrol Rescue Nights minifigure. This is so cool. Let's open it up and see what's in there. There's a castle with a blue door. And a blind bag inside. What's in there? It's Sky.
This pup's gotta fly.
And I like how she can go right inside her little pup castle. Thank you, Elmo.
You're welcome, Riddle.
Okay, well, is that all that's inside the backpack?
Nope, there's more.
Oh, I love this Elmo tin.
Hi, friends of fun. Riddle got this Elmo for Christmas last year.
Elmo.
Oh, Elmo. And what's in there?
Look, what's this? Look, there's someone else in there.
Wow.
Marshall. Well, what's in there now, Elmo?
Open me up and see.
Okay, Elmo. Oh, that sounds like fun. Is it M&M's, Elmo?
Nope.
Whoa. Red Lego bricks.
And more Elmos.
Hi, Elmo.
Hi, friends of fun. Hi, Riddle.
And look at this tiny Elmo hiding in there.
Hi, friends of fun. Hi, Riddle. We brought you a surprise toy.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you guys.
Happy birthday, Riddle.
What did you bring, Riddle? A Paw Patrol Mashem. Oh, that's so neat. Let's open that right up and see what is inside. I see a green pup. Friends of fun, do you know who the green Paw Patrol pup is? Rocky, that's right. And he is squishy and stretchy. He's so cool. He's actually my favorite pup. You know, looking at all those Lego bricks and you, Lego Elmo, it brings a thought to my mind.
I bet I know what it is.
Oh yeah?
You remember the Sesame Street Lego set.
That's right, Elmo. The thought that it brought to my mind was when I got this Sesame Street Lego set and I allowed Riddle to play with it.
kept taking Elmo's hands off. Like this.
Wow, Elmo, there was a lot inside your backpack. And I really had a good time strolling down memory lane. Hey, wait a minute. That's the answer to Lexie's riddle. Memories. They can bring a smile to your face, a tear to your eye, or even a thought to your mind. That was a really good one, Lexie.
And Elmo was lucky to say happy birthday to baby Riddle. Toddler Riddle, big boy Riddle.
Well, friends of fun, if you had a good time today, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel on the bottom. I hope all of you going back to school this week have a great school year. And happy early birthday, Riddle.
Happy early birthday, Riddle.
Remember, the fun is out there. Go find it. Take care, guys.
This is Riddle. Fun is out there.